In the last video, we took a look at using quick and recurring journals. In this one, we're going to have a look at combining budgets. Under Cards Financial Budgets, you have the budget selection window, where you can maintain or create new budgets. One of the regular requests from clients in the past was to be able to deal with budgets in this sort of way. Have one master budget for the year, but then have separate budgets for each department or budget holder, so they could distribute these out and then wait for them to come back before merging them together. However, prior to Dynamics GP 2010, this wasn't possible. In GP 2010, Microsoft a new feature on the budget, so if we select the 2017 master and do Open using Microsoft Dynamics GP, we now have a Combine Budgets button. And just to show how this works, I'm going to quickly load in one of the accounts on the system and show that on the master budget there's no figures there. But if we scroll through to the accounting budget, we have got budget figures in against this code. If I select Combine Budgets, and instead for the master budget ID, so the one we're going to merge into, I select the 2017 master, and combine with budget ID, 2017 accounting, I can choose to delete the budget after it's combined, or I can choose to leave it behind so that I can deal with it again. In this case, I'm going to delete the budget, and then click the Process button. GP will come back and confirm that the process has been successful. If I close the Combine Budget windows, and scroll through to the master budget again, you'll see that the figures now say 2000. And if I do a lookup on the budget, the 2017 accounting budget no longer exists. One thing to bear in mind when you're combining budgets is that it's a combine, so it will combine the figures together and merge them together. If we select a new account code and show this, the salaries and wages for the administration department, which is showing 1000, and if we look at the admin budget, it says 1500. If I do a combine now on this, merge it into the master budget, you'll see that the figures now say 2500 on the master budget. This can be useful if you're wanting to do some adjustments through the year from Excel, but it is something to be very careful of. So that's an overview of the combining budgets functionality that was introduced in Dynamics GP 2010. In the next video, we're going to take a look at updating the chart of accounts using Mass Modify.